Sure.
Yes.
Ready? What are you guys doing?
Ready.
Okay.
No, we're
Now
not.
we're
We're
looking
coming.
for. What are you guys doing?
Okay, just going over lymph guides. Okay, what we're looking for is you have lymph nodes all over the place, but you have major clusters of lymph nodes. And what we use is we use our anatomical terms. So this is our cervical region of lymph nodes. Under the armpit here, we have our axillary region of lymph nodes. Thoracic region, our thoracic lymph nodes. Inguinal lymph nodes here. Then all of these under the diaphragm are going to be our abdominal. Now there's actually what's called mesenteric, which are mesenteries, but we haven't learned what the mesenteries are yet. So anything in this region we're just going to call abdominal lymph nodes. So cervical, axillary, thoracic, abdominal, inguinal lymph nodes. What we're going to see is we're going to see that the head and right arm, that fluid, that lymph that came from the blood from pressure needs to be returned back to the blood. So all of these lymph vessels join together to form right there, that little white one right there, that is the right lymphatic duct. That brings all the fluid from the head and right arm into the right subclavian vein. Then the left arm and the whole rest of the body, especially the lower part of the body, drains into the left, into the left subclavian vein. And because so much of it is drained from the lower part of the body through this big lymphatic vessel here, this is called the thoracic duct, the thoracic duct. So left arm drains into the left subclavian vein, and the whole lower part of the body drains into the left subclavian vein. And the lower part of the body through this big lymphatic duct here, the thoracic duct. So right lymphatic duct, thoracic duct. And then on this one, because it's the only one we have for liver, I like to ask you if it's a red one coming in, it's a hepatic portal artery. If it's a blue one coming out, it's a hepatic portal vein. That's it. You're welcome.